Hey y'all, it's Blake. Welcome to Melanj Hair. Today I'm going to be turning this old blowout into a nice high slick ponytail using Melanj Hair's Coarse Kinky straight clip-ins. So they look a little something like this. They have some nice texture to them, so they blend very seamlessly with your blown out natural hair, and they still give kind of a straighter look. So the first thing I'm going to do is get all of my hair up into a high puff. Alright, so after that arm workout, I'm just going to tie down and lay down my edges while I work on adding the clip-ins to the ponytail. So I'm just adding a little bit of product, a little bit of water, and you can braid the ponytail down or you can just tie it down. I just use this large hair tie and wrap it down the length of my ponytail. And it'll look something like this. And then I just begin taking my clip-ins, some of the longer pieces, and clipping the first one in and then wrapping it around and clipping the last one in. Sometimes I clip in the ones in the middle, it just depends, but you just wrap them around and clip them into your hair. And it should look a little something like this. And to finish it off, just take a piece from the back and wrap it around the base of the ponytail to hide all of the tracks. Now I'm just laying a little bit of my edges, and then I'm going to move to the bathroom to style the ponytail. So you can do whatever you like. You can straighten it, wand curl it. I decided to flip the ends. I had never done something like this, but I thought it would be really cute. So I'm just taking a 1-inch barrel curling iron and flipping it up. That's it. This is the final look. Just nice, cute, sophisticated vibes. So yeah, I hope you guys like it.